Today we are going to study the subject engineering thermodynamics, which is in BE third semester. Experiment number 5. Aim experiment performance on Otto cycle of IC engine. Introduction. The Otto cycle is the ideal thermodynamic cycle used in spark ignition engine SI engine. This experiment is performed to study the performance, characteristic and efficiency of the IC engine operating on the Otto cycle. Apparatus required are 4-stroke petrol engine setup, fuel tank and fuel measuring unit, dynamometer, tachometer, stopwatch, thermometer, measuring instruments. The experiment setup looks like this, which consists of IC engine dynamometer, measurement units such as tachometer, load meter, fuel measuring unit. Experimental procedure: start the engine and allow it to run at normal operating condition. Apply load gradually using the dynamometer. Measure fuel consumption, speed, and load at different conditions. Record all observation carefully. Calculate brake power, thermal efficiency, and fuel consumption. Plot performance characteristic if required. Conclusion: the performance of IC engine operating on the Otto cycle was studied successfully. Various parameters such as brake power, fuel consumption, thermal efficiency were determined and analyzed.